Had some folks ask about taking the bolt apart on your AR-15. So here you go. Bolt carrier group comes out. We're going to take it down. Firing pin, retaining pin comes out. Drop your firing pin out. Slide the bolt to the rear. Turn the cam pin 90 degrees and pull it out. Comes straight up and out. Then your bolt comes out the front. Once you're down this far, this is your extractor, and there's a little straight pin in the side that comes in that hole. You take a 5.56 round or your firing pin, you put a little downward pressure on the extractor, and you push that pin right out the side. And it comes out, it looks like that. Set that to the side, and then your extractor comes right off the top of the bolt, like that. You gotta be careful when you take it off because there's a little tiny spring and a rubber washer in there. You don't wanna lose that guy. So once your bolt's apart like that, you can clean everything up. Then we're gonna put it back together. So the extractor sits back down on there, it only goes on one way. Take that little tiny pin you just took out, put a little downward pressure on the extractor and the pin goes back through, just like that. Then your bolt with the extractor at about 10 o'clock goes back into the bolt carrier. Line the two holes up, drop your cam pin in, turn it 90 degrees. Bolt goes forward, firing pin goes in, firing pin retaining pin goes in. Then your whole bolt carrier group with the bolt forward goes back in the rifle, receivers together, takedown pin in. And here's a little nugget for you. You're made in the image of God and He loves you.